And then the change we're going to make is I'm currently just running the 102 sensor on the downpipe. But what we're going to do is Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul. Today's video is a channel update. I want to give you guys some upcoming changes and of course acknowledge and thank all of you guys. So let's start with what's most important. Maybe you're new to the channel, maybe you missed my community post. But the biggest change recently has been the loss of Sally's mom. She peacefully passed away on December 18th. So it's been a really difficult time for our family. We have the visitation and the funeral service upcoming this week. But I just want to take a moment and thank all of you guys for the overwhelming condolences, thoughts, prayers, personal messages. Sally and I both really appreciate that, and it just goes to show how strong our Mustang community is. I also want to give a huge shout out to Ken from Blue Oval Media. He put out a beautiful prayer for Sally's mom and for Brutal's mom. If you haven't seen it, it's worthwhile to watch. I'll drop in the link in the description box. And to Brutal's mom and family, know that our thoughts and prayer are with your family as well. Some other changes that we made that you may not be aware of is we ended up selling Sally's notchback. Project Snow White has officially come to an end. That was a mutual decision that we made to simplify things. But that's going to lead us to some upcoming changes to our Terminator Cobra. Sally always wanted a vert anyway, so we have one, and our plan is to put in a 6R80 for Sally, and we're going to do a few more little changes to the car as well. I'd like to add a double din to the car. And if I can find a set of amber taillights, that's a cosmetic mod that's been on the bucket list that I'd also like to take care of. So this video is being recorded on our new GoPro. Actually, it's a replacement GoPro. Our Max 360 surprisingly took a dive. It was problematic. So I took it back to Best Buy. No questions asked. It was already 6 months old, direct replacement on the spot, and now I'm using it today. And it's working perfectly as it should be. Just want to let you guys know, we're trying to always upgrade our filming gear. We got some new stuff. One of my goals has been to try to remove the echo in this garage, but it's very difficult. I've tried a couple of different mics, including the Rode shotgun mic, and not even that took out the echo. So we'll figure it out. As far as the turbo car, there's a little bit of work left to do. You guys can see I got the front end to put back on. Inside, I got a few little cosmetic pieces to acquire and put in place. But mechanically, not a lot left to do. I'm going to make one small change. Actually, I'll flip the camera and show you guys what it is. All right, so here's our setup, guys. Everything's pretty much done in here. We're going to add two little things. One being the turbo guard screen here for the turbo. And then the change we're going to make is I'm currently just running the 102 sensor on the downpipe. But what we're going to do is going to add another O2 sensor and run one on each header. The bungs are already in place. Hopefully it's not too dark for you guys to see. So that'll be an easy addition. And then we just got to wait for the snow to melt, put the car back together, make some shakedown passes, and see how the beast makes out. And to wrap things up, as of this video, we're 31 subscribers away from 2K. So we're really looking forward to achieving that milestone and to continue to even growing more. And that'll be thanks to all of you guys. We appreciate the ongoing support. If you haven't already done so, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we truly appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.